Well, hello everyone, it's Anita Fairydust Nails, and we're going to use this little sample nails to show you 4 designs that I've done with light blue, white, silver and aquarelle ink. I've taken the first nail and now we're going to put some white nail polish on it, but make sure that it's a very thin layer of white. While we're waiting for the one to cure, I've taken this blue and then I'm going to cover the whole nail with the blue. Please remember or just see that I do it as very thin coats, otherwise it doesn't cure properly. So the white one is out of the lamp. We will have to put on a second coat. Now we're taking the third nail and also putting white on it. Do exactly the same as on the first nail. Thin layer of white. Halfway down the line. Now the other half, where the white and the blue will then join so that we can do a gradient. I will call it my ombre brush to get the result that I want. Between the blue and the white to fade it together. Very light strokes, hardly touching the gel, so that the ends of the brush, you know, those fine little hairs, can just touch the gel. So it's a very light crisscross motion. After putting on the second coat, do exactly the same. Soft crisscross motions with the tip of the brush over the nail. So now, as you can see, we've got the first nail with a white stripe. Then we've got the plain white nail. Then we've got the plain blue nail. Now, while the other nail is still in the lamp curing, I've taken the blue aquarelle ink and I'm going to blotch it over the first nail that's got the stripe on it. Just taking a bit of alcohol on the ombre brush, I just fade some of the blotches that I've made on the stripe a little bit with that little bit of alcohol on the brush. I've taken the other one that was in the lamp out and we're just going to put on a second coat. I don't think the fade has come out too badly, the ombre. It's actually a very nice color. So we're taking the nail that we've had the white stripe, that we've done the aquarelle ink on it, and now we're just going to add some blue nail polish or gel polish on the side of the clear nail pieces. Now I'm just putting a second coat of light blue over the blue nail. Doing the same with the nail with the stripe on it, just putting an extra coat on as well. I'm also going to take the aquarelle blue ink now and do the same and kind of put a pattern onto the white nail. It's more like on the side, not the full nail, but as a pattern on the nail. My apologies, I've come a little bit out of frame, but as I've done with the first nail, after putting on the aquarelle ink, I actually just take my ombre brush with a bit of alcohol on it and just fade the aquarelle ink a little bit into a pattern on the nail. Well, this is what the fading of the aquarelle ink looks like after we've dabbled it and then spread it around with a bit of alcohol. Now I'm also going to do a pattern on the light blue, but from the tip side. Just spreading it around with a bit of alcohol, not making it look so harsh. These are all for the nails that we've done with the normal gel, blue, white, and then the aquarelle ink. This is a silver metallic gel that I'm going to use now on one of the nails. Just putting down a stripe on the aquarelle strip. We're also going to do the same on the other side of that white stripe that we've put on the first nail. Also putting down a bit of a crackle pattern with the aquarelle ink's shape that's on the blue nail with this silver metallic paint. Now I'm going to use a little bit of rubber base just to adhere the silver chrome flakes to the one nail. Then I'm going to take the makeup applicator and then add a bit of the silver chrome flakes to the nail that we've done the aquarelle ink on. And my apologies for being out of frame a little bit there. How cute it looks with the silver flakes on. It's awesome. Now I've taken a piece of glitter gel that I've dried on my jelly stamper and cut into a square. I'm just adhering it to the nail with a bit of rubber base. Now I'm actually just painting with the silver metallic paint. I'm just painting some stripes and lines on this nail to give it a bit of a more of an edgy look. Then filling in the areas and the stripes that I've done with the darker blue gel paint. Just giving all the nails a nice top coat layer, and then we will be finished. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you soon. Cheers. Bye.